Martin Prakat's Charlie was a very interesting cat and mouse chase through the beautiful lanes and plains of Kerala, where the young, non-conforming Parvati was hunting for the mysterious artist who previously lived in her apartment. It was a romance with a lot of color, drama, and hope. 6 years down the line, Martin Prakat is back with another story of hunt, again across the lanes and valleys of Kerala, but with an absolutely opposite effect. As the saying goes, cinema is there to comfort the disturbed and disturb the complacent, comfortable ones. It feels like Prakat, having done the comforting part in his earlier film, is here to question and shock us in his new one. With his thriller motif being retained, that of Hunt or Nayattu in Malayalam, the name of his new film. Here we are today to discuss Nayattu, and before we start this hunt, requesting all of you to extend your support to our channel through likes, shares and subscriptions. Nayattu is such a convincing experience of the realities of our society. The film starts with a tug of war between the police team and a club team in a local sports event. It's a metaphorical sequence of the everyday realities that we live in, that of the constant tug of war between right and wrong, greater evil and lesser evil, the real truth and the truth of convenience. The police team loses in the event while we see the local politician campaigning among the crowd, soliciting for votes. Well, that might just be a start to the number of losses that follows in the film for the cop community at the hands of politicians, their agendas and populist policies. Nayattu is that unique film where the regular hunters, the cops, are hunted and are on the run. It's a film where the premise itself serves as the theme, again in a metaphorical sense. Such an impactful setup by director Martin and writer Shahi Kabir to advocate that truth exists beyond generalized beliefs, mass mandates, and what we read on the newspaper. And when you find writer Shahi Kabir to be an actual civil police officer with the Kerala police, you realize that the premise, rootedness and realities of Nayattu is not just great writing, but a good deal of experience as well, an insider view of the cop world. Nayattu scores in its characterizations as well. A story of hunt, that too with multiple characters, at times may fall short of carving the characters in flesh and blood. But in this film, it's a major achievement and a prime reason why we root for the three cops on the run, even when we realize it's a losing game for them. Joju George is fantastic as the old-time cop Manian, ashamed of not spending enough time with his family, his daughter in particular. But he is no perfect man, not ashamed of using his official privileges for his benefit and framing innocent people as per instructions from higher officials. The screenplay effortlessly establishes him as one of the very within the system which will hunt him soon. Kunchako Boban is the rookie cop Praveen, assigned to Joju as driver. He represented his club to compete against the police team, which his colleagues were not happy about. He had won the sports event, but when the real crisis befalls, he too is on the losing end, an accused officer on the run. Nimisha Sajayan as Sunitha is another CPO, the link which gets the three of them into the crisis as Joju keeps on repeating. The society, as it always drags down the reason for the crisis to a woman, is subtly floated here, never realizing that the woman wasn't there by choice. Nimisha does a wonderful job yet again. There's a way in which she brings out these characters who are unsure of themselves amidst a hostile surrounding and fighting for survival every second. There are some beautiful scenes in the first half where we smell sparks of romance building up between Praveen and Sunitha. The eyes meeting for fleeting seconds, the untold dialogues before Nayattu takes us on a roller coaster ride. Man proposes, reality disposes. The theme keeps coming on back again. Jafar Idduki as the no-nonsense CM is great. Yama Gilgamesh as the lady officer in charge of the hunt is so good. Another cop who is hunting today but has enough moral left in her to be hunted tomorrow. Dinesh P as the Dalit goon Biju, who knows his minority identity is his biggest weapon against the system. The high official of the police station who promises 6 months of jail to Biju and in a matter of minutes instructs to release him. Vinod Sagar as Murthy, Manian's acquaintance who indifferently remarks that they do not call police to sort fights related to water distribution in their community as the police demands witnesses while all they want is water. These character sequences or passing dialogues get the needful rawness to the proceedings, exposing the ground realities of the entire universe of the story, such that Nayak 2 goes beyond being one particular hunt. It could be any one of them on the hunt, anyone who disturbs the convenience and stability of the system. It is the system and not the truth or correctness that chooses who is to be hunted and who will be hunting. There's just one issue we have with Nayak 2. The way the Dalit community has been depicted playing the victim card for their convenience. While there's no denial of that reality, that might again not be the wholesome reality that this film emphasizes on. Having said that, Nayak 2 is a fine film and an excellent example of how multi-character thrillers are to be handled. Well done Team Nayak 2, and we will be waiting for you, Martin Prakat, to wherever you plan to place your next chase. That's all from us today. Thank you for watching.